Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by picking the right app for your phone, choose Termux for power users, Pidroid 3 for easy package installs, or Pythonista on iOS. Once chosen, install it and immediately grant storage and network permissions so you can download libraries. Make sure you have at least one. 5 gigabytes free and a stable Wi-Fi connection to avoid interruptions. Next, open the app, update its package manager, and run a quick Python version to confirm the interpreter is active. Now structure your workspace. Create a project folder and a virtual environment when supported, so dependencies stay isolated. Install commonly used packages with pip, requests, Flask, NumPy, or use the app's graphical manager to avoid command errors. Configure the built-in editor or link an external IDE and set up Git or Cloud Sync to back up code. Make sure to test imports with a small script. This confirms compiled wheels and binary modules are functioning on your Execute your script either from the terminal with Python misscript. Py or the app's run button. Watch stdout and error logs to see immediate failures. If you need to debug, sprinkle prints or use a lightweight debugger. Adjust breakpoints and inspect variables while keeping an eye on battery, CPU, and thermal throttling. Finally, if a package fails, verify permissions and the device CPU architecture. Reinstall or rebuild wheels for ARM64 versus x86. One key tip.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.